Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about software maintenance in software engineering. Okay, so basically, what is software maintenance? Software maintenance is the process of modifying and updating software after it is delivered. It ensures the software remains correct, efficient, adaptable, and reliable throughout its life cycle. It includes fixing errors, improving performance, adapting to new environments, and preventing future problems. See, so basically, software maintenance is the process of modifying and updating software after it has been delivered. Modifying means making changes or adjustment. Updating means adding new changes or improvements. Software means a computer program or application, and deliver means the software is already released or given to the user. Okay, so basically software maintenance is taking care of software after it is made and used to make sure it works well. Okay, so the main goal of maintenance is to keep software correct, efficient, adaptable, and reliable. Okay, correct means it works without errors or bugs. Efficient means it works fast and uses fewer resources. Adaptable means it can work in new environments or systems. And reliable means users can trust it to work every time. Okay. So why is software maintenance is so important? Because software changes over a time, or bugs or errors may appear after use, or users may ask for new features or improvements, and the software may need to work on new operating systems or devices. Okay, so basically maintenance is a continuous process. Okay, maintenance is a continuous process, which means it never stops until the software is no longer used. It is also costly, sometimes taking like 60 to 70% of the total cost of the software life cycle. So life cycle means all stages of software from start to finish. Okay. Now we can see types of software maintenance. First is corrective maintenance. Purpose is fixing errors or bugs in the software. Example, a mobile app crashes when dividing by zero, fixing the bug. Focus, restoring normal functioning of the software. See, corrective maintenance. Corrective means fixing errors or mistakes, and purpose is to correct defects or bugs in the software after it is used. An example is like, suppose a calculator app crashes, okay, when you divide by zero. Okay, fixing that crash is corrective maintenance. Simple. And focus is to making the software work correctly again. Okay. Second is adaptive maintenance. Purpose, updating software to work in a new environment or platform. Example, making software compatible with a new operating system or browser. Focus, keeping software usable with changing environments. See, adaptive maintenance. Adaptive means changing to suit a new environment. Purpose, to update software work with new hardware, operating systems, and platforms. See example, like updating a program so it runs on Windows 11 or new web browser. Okay, and focus is keeping the software usable even when the environment changes. Now third, perfective maintenance. Purpose, improving performance, features, or usability based on user feedback. Example, adding new features to a messaging app or making it faster. Focus, enhancing software according to user requirements. See, perfective maintenance. Perfective means making something better or perfect. And purpose, to improve performance, features, or usability based on user feedback. Example is like adding a dark mode feature in a messaging app or making it run faster. and focus is enhancing the software to meet user needs and suggestions. Okay. Fourth one is preventive maintenance. Purpose making changes to prevent future problems or failures. Example, refactoring code to reduce technical debt or optimizing queries for future efficiency. Focus is to increasing software reliability and preventing defects before they occur. See, preventive maintenance. Preventive means preventing problems before they happen. Purpose is to reduce the chance of future failures or errors. Example is like refactoring code, cleaning and organizing the code so it is easier to maintain, and like optimizing databases queries, making them faster and less prone to errors in the future. Okay, and focus is to ensuring the software remains reliable and problem free in the future. Now see summary table. First is corrective type, corrective maintenance. Okay. Purpose is to fix defects or errors. Example, fixing an app crash bug means fix defects or errors, fixing an app crash bug. Second is type adaptive maintenance. Purpose adapt to new environment. Okay. Example, updating software for a new OS version. Third is perfective maintenance. Purpose is to improve performance or features. Example, adding new features or enhancing UI. Then type preventive maintenance. Purpose is to prevent future issues. Example, refactoring code or optimizing queries. Okay. So here is some key points to remember. So basically maintenance is not only about fixing bugs, it also includes improving software, adding new features, adapting to new environments, preventing future problems. And software maintenance is important for long term success. Okay. So basically using all four types together ensures software is correct, efficient, adaptable and reliable. Okay. So in short, software maintenance means taking care of software after releases to fix bugs, improve features, adapt to changes and prevent future problems. Okay. Thank you.